Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to remove echo in Premiere Pro. So guys, as you can see, I'm gonna use our video as an example. So in order for you to reduce the echo of the audio, just simply go ahead and go for effects over here. And from here guys, just simply search the reverb. So as you can see, we have here the D-reverb effect. So just simply click and drag it to your audio over here. And from there, you should be able to clear the audio. So now for the second option, is just simply go to Window. And from here, go to Essential Sound. And here on the Essential Sound, just select what type of audio. So I'm gonna go for dialogue since the audio is voice. So I'm gonna click on dialogue. And from here, guys, just simply make sure the loudness, the repair, the clarity is turned on. And from there, guys, you'll be able to make your audio sound right and remove the echo. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.